So this is my flight from Brisbane to Adelaide. That's Brisbane there. And this is Adelaide Airport. So I carried my bike box with me and I used my bare hands to unpeel the tape, but you can use a pen, a sharp pen, to unravel the tape. And I'm just doing this all one-handed on my iPhone, so bear with me. So open up the box. Make sure things aren't rubbing too much together. Ideally, you would use bubble wrap and foam if you had any, but I was in a rush. And then I have my bike in between my legs, and I have the multi-tool kit in the bottle, and that's how I packed it up with the bolts already screwed in so I don't lose the little bolts. And with the bike in between my legs, I screw the bolts back on, and I have it lined up with some whiteout pen that I marked previously, and then I screw on back the bolts for my seat post, and I put my wheels back on by twisting it, and I had the pedals separate, and then I look for the left side and the right side of the pedals, and when I put it back in, there's kind of a technique. You do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but then you can also turn the whole crankset. I think that's what you call. So you turn it like this, that helps tighten it, and then you just keep doing that until it's reached the maximum tightness. And I use a multi-tool kit as well. You don't have to use a what's it called, a crank, I don't even know the name of the tool. And I don't use a CO2 cartridge, I just use a hand pump. And sometimes you can get away with not deflating your wheels, but this time I had to. And I always have my helmet attached to my bag when carrying it. And this is me at Adelaide Airport with my bike already assembled. And this is the water station just at Adelaide Airport, because you need to bring water with you if you want to ride back. And there you have it. So I'm happy now, and I always carry gloves with me when I'm riding.